Lance Armstrong's attorney denying that his client is talking with U.S. or world anti-doping agencies about publicly admitting using illegal performance-enhancing drugs. His lawyer did not address the claims that were made in the New York Times that the cyclist was considering the confession as a way to restore his athletic eligibility. I like the way that sounds. Armstrong has been stripped of his 7 Tour de France titles, and he's banned from cycling for life, as we know. But Armstrong has always denied using banned performance-enhancing drugs. So let me ask you both. If Armstrong does come forward, and he does admit this, do you think he could be criminally investigated as a result of, if he made this kind of confession?
Marty, he gave certain sworn statements under oath. So could they prosecute those? Yes, they could. I don't think they will. I disagree with Avery. I think in his head, he has to come clean and admit it. But really, do we as a society, do we care? We know what this guy has done.
Do we care?
Nobody wins 7 in a row. Nobody can win 7 races like that without doping. It doesn't happen. And Marty, as a cancer survivor, which I am, it's a disgrace what he did to that cancer charity. And the whole thing is complete fraud. People will sue this charity, and the people who will suffer will be the children and the adults who get money from that charity and will not get it anymore.
Why admit?
Because people want nothing to do with this guy.
Yeah, why admit? I mean, I think people will always question, though, until they hear from the man himself. There will always be doubters.
Right. Right, and
I don't think
as far as civil liability or criminal liability, there'd be no reason for Lance to say anything. He's already been humiliated. He's lost his title. It's not going to be restored. And you know what? He's not going to be competing again. There is no logical reason for him to say one word. That's it.
He thinks he has an opportunity for reinstatement if he comes clean. And it's like Michael Corleone in The Godfather. You want an absolution.
So what?
So he's going to try to come clean with himself. It's too late because everybody knows what he did.
It is too late. We agree. It's too late.
Who cares what he says?
All right. I think we get it. Apparently, the two of you have different opinions on this, as do many of the viewers. So we'll keep track of it. In the meantime, we're going to bring both of you back in about 20 minutes. And we'll talk about a case that could make men think twice before they become sperm donors. A man donates to help a lesbian couple have a baby. And then he's ordered to pay child support. It is a great talker. We'll be back with you in just a bit and get your thoughts.